So after login, okay, you need to go on post. Here you will see all the posts. Then if you click on add new, simply add the title and add the description. It's same as you added first time on. Then you need to click on check featured image, set featured image. So clicking on that, uh, so after click on add new, you need to put block title, then the description, I mean the full paragraphs, then scroll down and set featured image. From here, maybe you can't see, but in the video you will see how to set it. Set featured image, then upload the picture you want to assign. I'm using one to show you just the uploaded one. Set featured image. Okay, here is the picture. Then click on publish. That's it. So you don't need to do anything else.